Welcome to ClubExpress. In this quick guide, we'll cover how to set up a basic free event that allows online registration. Let's get started. To create a new event, go to the Events section. Choose the Add button, select Event, and you'll land on the Basic Info page. There are three main steps to building your new event. Step 1. Adding basic info. First, you need to enter basic info about the event. This step sets up the event layout. Choose the Single Activity button. Give your event a title, assign it to a category, add the start date and time, and if needed, a finish date. For a one-date event, leave the finish date blank. Specify what additional information you want participants to provide. For the simplest event that still allows for online registration, select only the registration fees and attendance tracking and who can register options. When you're done, check this panel is complete and save your settings. After saving, you'll arrive on the Event Management page. On the left, you'll see options based on the settings you selected. Now, let's move on to registration settings. Open the Registration and Fees panel and click the pencil icon to edit. From here, you have many setting options for your event. For the simplest event registration, we recommend you set registration to required, set avoid duplicate registrations to yes, select no fee will be charged under the fees and payments section, and only allow between 1 to 5 additional guests for registration depending on your event needs. When you're done, check this panel is complete and save your settings. Finally, we'll set up who can register for the event. Open the Who Can Register panel and click the pencil icon to start editing. Choose a registrant type, like members or non-members, to define who can sign up. Note that if registrants can add guests, don't forget to include options like everyone or non-member guest. Then choose Add to save each type. When you're done, check this panel is complete and save your setting. With these steps, your event setup is complete. We recommend testing the registration by choosing Back to Event and signing up to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it, a quick, easy setup for a free event in ClubExpress.